Namo Namaha students. Today in this tutorial we will be learning what are moods. From verbal roots we can either make verbs or participles. We have seen formula of making verb form, that is verbal root plus vikarana pratyaya, that is conjugational suffix, plus endings of person. Now these verbs are mainly divided into two main types, tense and mood. We have seen that tense are of three types, past, present and future. In the earlier course, we have learned past tense and present tense. Now, we can understand the tense, that is past, present and future, from the verb forms. But sometimes these forms are not indicative of tense. They are not indicative of action which is past, present or future. They suggest us some intention that is in our mind. They suggest us some feeling that is in our mind. Sometimes it is an order, sometimes it's an advice, it is suggestion or duty, request or wish and so on. Now in grammar it is called mood or artha. Now this mood is again of two main types. First one is imperative mood. It is called adnyartha or lot. Second one is potential mood. It is called vidhyartha or vidhiling. Now these terms adnyartha, lot, vidhyartha, vidhiling are all technical. You may just remember imperative and potential. So this mood is of two types, imperative and potential. Now whenever order or demand or blessings or request is understood, this imperative is used. So whenever one wants to convey some order or some demand, blessings or request, then he uses this imperative mood. In the case of potential mood, wish or possibility or capability, etc. is conveyed. So whenever one wants to convey some wish, possibility or capability, then this potential mood is used. In this tutorial, we will be studying forms of imperative mood of roots belonging to first, fourth, sixth and 10th group. First, fourth, sixth and 10th group. Before moving ahead, let us revise conjugational suffix, that is vikarana pratyaya of these groups. A is vikarana pratyaya of first group, ya is of fourth, again a is of sixth and aya is of 10th group. Now let us see how to form of imperative mood. Now let us see rule for forming imperative mood form. It is very simple. The rule is root plus vikarana pratyaya, that is conjugational suffix, plus endings of person. Now we have used the same formula for making present tense forms, but the difference is endings of person for making imperative mood form will change. They will not be same as that of present tense endings. So whenever we want to form some imperative mood form, we have to use this particular formula. For this, we need to understand Which endings of person are used to make imperative mood form? They are again of two types, PP endings and AP endings, just like we have in present tense and past tense. First, let us see what are PP endings. These are PP endings for imperative mood forms. They are ani, ava, ama for first person, zero. There is no suffix. There is no ending as such. So, zero, tam, ta for second person, tu, tam, antu for third person. Now, let us form some imperative mood form. What is the formula of making imperative mood forms? That is root plus vikarana pratyaya plus endings of person. Let us take root patha. Now let us see how to make imperative mood forms. Now here I have already substituted root, vikarana pratyaya and endings of person. Patha is the root that we have taken. As it belongs to first group, we have added vikarana pratyaya a to it. And we have also added third person singular ending of imperative mood, that is tu. So answer that we get is pathatu. This is imperative mood form, pathatu. Next, we have added tam, which is third person dual ending. So by adding tam, we get the form pathatam, pathatam. So pathatu, pathatam, and next we have pathantu, pathantu. Here we have added third person plural PP ending, that is antu. We have already seen that whenever vikarana pratyaya ending in a is followed by another a, they both result in a only. So we have pathantu. Next, patha plus a is added with no suffix, that is zero. This suffix is of second person singular. So this second person singular ending zero is added to patha. So patha plus a plus zero will be patha. That's it. Patha. Next we have second person dual ending, which is tam. So by adding tam, we get pathatam. We get form pathatam. So patha, pathatam, patha plus a plus ta. This ta is second person plural ending. Remember students that this ta is complete. It is not half. It is not halanta. It is complete. So this patha plus a plus ta will be pathata, pathata. So patha, pathatam, pathata. This is second person form. Next we have patha plus a plus ani. This ani is first person singular ending. So the answer that we get is pathani, pathani. Patha plus a plus ava. This ava is first person dual ending. So the answer is pathava, pathava. And its plural form will be pathama, pathama. So pathatu, pathatam, pathantu, patha, pathatam, pathata, and pathani, pathava, pathama. So these are imperative mood forms. Now let us see forms of some other roots. Let us take root vada. It means to speak. Now this vada belongs to which group? It belongs to first group. So vikarana pratyaya a will be added to it. So the imperative mood forms of this root will be vadani, vadava, vadama of first person, vada, vadatam, vadata of second and vadatu, vadatam, vadantu of third person. These forms are same as that of imperative mood forms of patha that we have just derived. Now next root is nrita. Nrita, it means to dance. Nrita. Now this root belongs to fourth group. So vikarana pratyaya ya will be added to it. So in the place of vikarana pratyaya we have to add ya. So the imperative mood forms of root nrita will be nrityani, nrityava, nrityama of first person, nritya, nrityatam, nrityata of second person, and nrityatu, nrityatam, nrityantu of third person. Now here you can see this ya of vikarana pratyaya. So this vikarana pratyaya ya should be added. The roots belonging to the fourth group will also have similar imperative mood forms. Let us move to next root. That root is likha. It means to write. Now this particular root belongs to sixth group. So in the place of vikarana pratyaya, a will be added. So we have forms like likhani, likhava, likhama of first person, likha, likhatam, likhata of second person, and likhatu, likhatam, likhantu of third person. Roots belonging to the sixth group will also have similar imperative mood forms. Next root we have is puja. Puja, it means to worship. Puja. We all know that this particular root belongs to 10th group. So vikarana pratyaya aya will be added to it. The forms that we get will be pujayani, pujayava, pujayama of first person, pujaya, pujayatam, pujayata of second person, and pujayatu, pujayatam, pujayantu of third person. Here vikarana pratyaya aya of 10th group is seen to be added. So the forms will be pujayani and not pujani or pujani or something like that. Aya should be added to root when we make imperative mood form. So in this way, roots belonging to the 10th group will also have similar imperative mood forms. Now let us revise once again all those PP endings for imperative mood forms. They are ani, ava, ama for first person, 0, tam, ta for second person, and tu, tam, antu for third person.